Maharlika, Angkasam Incorporated, TVP Activism Maharlika, Presence, Make a Change. He who does not know how to look back at where he came from will never get to his destination. Dr. Jose Rizal. The time has come. Maharlika Summit 2014. Join us. Maharlika. Indigenous name of colonial Philippines. Maharlika Summit 2014 invites all organizations and individuals who are advocating Maharlika as the indigenous name of the country and change Philippines back to Maharlika. Philippines is a symbol of distorted history, identity crisis, pseudo-culture and exploitation. Though the name was first unlocked out from our consciousness by late President Marcos during his regime, our efforts for the reclamation goes beyond his time. In the final analysis, it is not about Marcos or anyone for that matter. It is about and for freedom to bloom from the grassroots. And to remember with our indigenous identities. Before we can truly grow ready for weeding and rerooting or uprooting, or else remain as we are. Solid seeds while hungry birds carry us everywhere, anywhere, but here, in Maharlika. P.R. Sarkar's explanation of Maharlika, from Sanskrit derivatives. Maha means good and great, La means a cup or container, Ik means small, and A, as a suffix puts in it the neutral gender. So Maharlika, which comes from Maha plus R plus La plus thick plus A, means small entity or country containing good and great qualities and resources in the physical, mental and spiritual sense. Maharlika Summit 2014, with guest speakers, written books and articles about Maharlika, renowned historians with good historical knowledge will help unfold historical change. Countries that change their name. Want to know more? Join us. The time has come. Maharlika Summit 2014. Make a change.
Ako ay isang dugong Maharlika. Handa ako lumaban makamit muli natin ang kalayaan. At ang higit na mahalaga, dapat lahat tayo ay kumilos. Gamitin ang nararapat na pangalan sa bansa natin. Yan ay ang bansang Maharlika. Upang totoong kalayaan ay makamit natin. Mabuhay ang Maharlika.